I am Dr. Sukant Khurana, and I am here in one more episode of Stem Cells Unveiled from Basics to Breakthroughs. This is episode 13, Industry and Innovation, Stem Cells in Biotech. Leading us today is phenomenal Basudha Banerjee, our longevity expert in stem cell biology, who's been guiding this series with incredible passion. Basudha, take us into biotech boom. I'm ready.
Glad to be back, Dr. Khurana. So, this episode is a thrill ride. Stem cells and biotech are exploding, and I'm pumped to unpack the market, the tools, and all the players driving it. So, we are diving into the startups, big pharma, and the investment trends, and then further spotlighting the cutting edge tools like CRISPR with stem cells and automation in cell culture, and finally, profiling some leading companies and their breakthroughs. So let's kick off with the stem cell market. It's a gold rush. I would like to begin with you, Dr. Khurana. What are your first thought on this biotech buzz?
Well, you are in the driver's seat, Vasudha, and I'm all in. I would say that startups, small teams with big dreams, they're shaking things up, and maybe it's my bias, but I am seeing a lot more happening with smaller teams punching way above their weight successfully than the big old giants. Over to you on this.
Yeah, I completely agree. Startups are the spark that is spot on. The stem cell market is soaring, projected to hit nearly $29 billion by 2030 and growing at over 11% a year. Startups are everywhere. Think of Celino automating iPSC production, or even Orca Bio, which is crafting precise cell therapies. They're nimble, pushing boundaries like personalized medicine or even rare disease fixes. Big Pharma is jumping into Vertex partnered with CRISPR Therapeutics for sickle cell breakthroughs, and Sanofi is betting on CRISPR edited stem cells for cancer. A lot of investment is pouring in billions from VCs and giants like Bayer, who snapped up BlueRock for iPSC therapies. It's sort of a mix of risk takers and heavyweights, trending hot right now. Dr. Khurana, as your experience as an entrepreneur, what's your lens on this cash flow?
Well, this is it's a frenzy. We see love, high risk, high reward vibe, and big pharma's hedging bets with deep pockets. Collaboration is the name of the game. And I'll add to one more thing that somehow all the action is limited to few interesting spots. If you're in the right niche, there is right now almost unimaginable money that's flowing in. And my mind is blown with how much funding is there for longevity tech.
Yeah, the collaboration, it's fueling the fire. So with that, let's shift our gears slightly towards the tools. CRISPR with stem cells is a biotech beast. Pairing CRISPR's precision with stem cells versatility, that's a game changer. You can edit iPSCs to fit mutations, think sickle cell or beta thalassemia, and then grow them into whatever is needed. I've heard of labs that crank out edited neurons or heart cells and flawless targeting. Automation is the other stuff. Cell culture is a slog, but robots like Celino's laser editing rigs or Seed Biosciences single cell pipeters churn out consistent, scalable batches. So it's cutting costs and time, and that is extremely huge for clinical translation. Dr. Khurana, what is your take on these tools turbocharging the field?
Yeah, so turbocharging is right. CRISPR is the scalpel. Automations the assembly line. Together, they are making stem cell therapies faster and cheaper.
Faster and cheaper. That is the music to my ears. Now, let's profile the leaders. Companies making waves. So, first, we have CRISPR Therapeutics. They're the poster child, with Vertex rolling out Casgevy, the first CRISPR stem cell therapy approved for sickle cell and thalassemia. It's ex vivo genius, edit the blood stem cells, reinfuse, and done. Next, we have BlueRock Therapeutics, Bear's Baby. Their iPSC derived dopamine neurons for Parkinson's blew me away in the phase 1 trials. That is safe, surviving, and sparking a lot of hope for the phase 2. Then we also have Mesoblast. Their mesenchymal stem cells are currently in phase 2 trials for rheumatoid arthritis and heart issues. A lot of regulatory events are definitely piling up. Dr. Khurana, any standout company on your radar?
Yeah, you've hit the big ones. I'll toss in Intellia Therapeutics, the CRISPR stem cell combo for ATTR amyloidosis is killing it in the trials, but let's see. Now, there are quite a few good players.
Yeah, I mean, the precision that Intelia is bringing is quite unreal. But let's add Celino to the list. Their AI-driven automation and scaling IPS is like never before, aiming for mass personalized therapies. And breakthroughs, Casgevy's approvals, BlueRock's neuron survival, Mesoplast's trial wins, these all are pushing stem cells from lab to the clinic. Definitely challenges linger with respect to scale, cost, and safety. But again, these companies are the vanguard. So this biotech wave is cresting, startups are innovating, pharma is investing, and tools are evolving continuously. Dr. Khurana, where do you see this industry sprinting next?
Well, it's sprinting towards accessibility, cheaper automation, broader CRISPR apps, and more approvals, a biotech renaissance.
Yeah, definitely. Because stem cells and biotech are rewriting what is possible. One edit, one culture, and one breakthrough at a time. Thank you, Dr. Khurana, for letting me lead this. It was great riding this innovation wave with you, and I'm very eager and look forward to more such talks and discussions with you.
Well, you've been phenomenal, Basudha, capturing pulse of biotech brilliance. That's episode 13, folks, led by incredible Basudha Banerjee. Next time, we'll wrap up with the ethics and the future of stem cells. If you have got questions, suggestions, you know where to post them. It's our comment section. We look forward to comments from you. It helps us design the next episode. We would absolutely love to have you till the end of this journey on stem cells. So stay tuned, subscribe to us, and thank you very much.